Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet table runner designs model. A crochet table runner is a decorative piece for a dining or accent table that is handmade using the art of crochet. Crochet involves using a hook to interlock loops of yarn or thread, creating various patterns and designs. Table runners made through crochet techniques can vary in size, color, and complexity. Here are some tips for creating a crochet table runner. Choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that complements your table and fits the desired style. Consider the thickness and texture of the desired effect. Pick an appropriate hook size. Use the recommended hook size for the chosen yarn to achieve the desired tension and drop. Measure your table. Measure the length and width of your table to determine the dimensions of your table runner. This ensures a proper fit. Select a pattern. Choose a crochet pattern that matches your skill level and desired look. Patterns can range from simple stitches to more intricate legwork. Gauge swatch. Make a gauge swatch to check your tension. This step ensures that your finished table runner will have the crochet dimensions. Experiment with colors. Have fun experimenting with colors. Consider matching your exciting decor or using construction color to make your table runner stand out. Blocking. Block your finished page to give it a polished look. Blocking helps even out stitches and ensures that your table runner lays flat. Edging options. Choose an edging that complements your pattern and adds a finished touch. Common edging options include peacock edges, scallops, or a simple border. Customize length and width. Adjust the length and width of your table runner according to your preferences. Customize it to fit the specific size and style of your table. Pay attention to tension. Maintain consistent tension throughout your project to ensure an even and professional finish. Practice stitch combinations. If your chosen pattern involves new stitches or techniques, practice them first to build confidence before starting the actual project. Enjoy the process. Crocheting a table runner should be an enjoyable and creative process. Take your time, enjoy its stitch, and appreciate the craftsmanship. Remember, the beauty of crochet lies in its versatility. So, feel free to experiment and make your table runner uniquely yours. Whether you prefer a simple design or a more intricate leg pattern, your finished creation will add a personalized and handmade touch to your home. Common characteristics of crochet table runners include patterns. Crocheters can create a wide array of patterns, ranging from simple stitches to intricate legwork. Popular patterns include shell, bands, or geometric designs. Materials. Crochet table runners are typically made using yarn or thread. The choice of material can impact the final look, with thicker yarns creating a more substantial or textured piece, while finer threads result in delicate and sleek design. Colors. Crocheters often choose colors that complement the table or surrounding decor. Variegated yarn solids or a combination of colors can be used to achieve different effects. Length and width. The dimension of a crochet table runner can be customized to fit the length and width of the table it's intended for. Some runners offer the entire length of the table, while others are designed to add on the center. Aids. The aids of a crochet table runner can be finished with various techniques, such as picot aids, scallops, or a simple border, adding a polished look to the page. Crochet table runners are not only functional but also serve as a beautiful way to add a touch of handmade elegance to a dining or living space. Crafters often enjoy creating these items as they offer a creative outlet for expressing individual style and can be customized to match specific color schemes or themes. A crochet table runner is a decorative piece for a dining or accent table that is handmade using the art of crochet. Crochet involves using a hook or interlocked loops of yarn or thread, creating various patterns and designs. Table runners made through crochet techniques can vary in size, color, and complexity. Crochet table runners are not only functional but also serve as a beautiful way to add a touch of handmade elegance to a dining or living space. Crafters often enjoy creating these items as they offer a creative outlet for expressing individual style and can be customized to match specific color schemes or theme. I think this tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.